Communication Mastery by Rahul Bhatnagar presents the India's biggest public speaking championship. Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar and this is my official entry for round 2. So the topic that I am going to cover today is based upon right direction is more important than speed. The reason why I have chosen or selected to make this video is because I have seen a lot of the people who are just working hard like crazy, and at the end they are just getting some amount of the thing in their lives. They are not becoming so much successful in their lives, and the reason why they are not becoming successful in their lives is because they are working hard is not in right direction. Unless and until they work hard in right direction, they will not be successful ever in their lives. So first of all, knowing this thing is really very important, that where do I have to go, what is my right direction, then only I can choose, or then only I can do things in different manner, isn't it? And let me give you an example today. You would have seen a lot of the motivational speakers saying you can achieve that, you can achieve that, you can achieve that, आप पा सकते हैं, आप सक्सेसफुल हो सकते हैं. I know we can be successful, but the thing is that unless and until we know right strategies, unless and until we know insights, how can we become successful? And this is the reason why a lot of the people are unsuccessful in their lives. First of all, we need to know that which kind of things do I have to do, what kind of skill sets should I have, which kind of habits that I have to grab. Then only the successful part will come into the picture. That's why. And let me tell you some of the skill sets or habits that you can adapt from right now. The morning rituals, exercising daily you can do, listening skills it is must if you have to become successful. Leadership quality should be there in you. Communication skills of yours should be really very strong if you have to become successful in your life. And these all the things will matter a lot in your life if you have to become successful. And the thing which you can do, it would be in fantastical manner. Whatever you want to become, irrespective of whatever niche you are in, you have to just find out the people who are working in your industry or the industry which you want to go in. Please start finding out those people and start listening to those kind of people. And there would be a YouTube is really very nice, and it is a blessing of God that we have YouTube today. We can learn a lot of the things from YouTube, from social media, from Instagram. We have 3 or 4 platforms from where we can learn a lot of the things. The thing which we need to do is that we have to follow whatever they say. We have to first of all evaluate and start doing, and believe me, these all the things can get us a tremendous success, a massive success in our lives. Investment would be a must. If you can invest upon yourself, believe me, you can do anything in your life. You can have any amount of success in your life. So thank you so much everybody to listen to me. Have a very good day. Bye bye.